Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to refund your Pandabuy products from warehouse, right? It's going to be very easy because I have purchased so many products from Pandabuy before and I can explain all the process in just few minutes, right? So here we are into our Pandabuy. Of course, you have to log in your account. Once you log in your account, you have to, on the top right, you can say this is your profile icon, right? Just click, if you take your mouse there, you will get this drop down and you have to go into this order section, right? Once you go into the order section, it will show you all the orders which you have placed here, right? So once you placed all the orders here, you will ask to pay, right? So if you have not done the payment, then it's great, you can just cancel payment. Otherwise, if you have done the payment, for example, then you will get an option to cancel payment just like this, but there will be no option to pay. I hope you understood what I'm trying to say. So we will just click on cancel payment, and once I click on it, it will ask me a reason that why I want to cancel this purchase, right? So I will just select any of the reason, for example, because I'm not able to pay. And if you want to write any something, you can just write here. Then I will click on confirm, and it says that it's mandatory, of course. So let's say this is just doing a test, right? And once you enter all the description, I will just click on confirm, right? And here you can see that my order has been cancelled, and if I want to remove, then I can just click on remove, and that's it. So the order has been removed. So you can see we will get a notification that is called success in the green color. So I hope, so this is how you can cancel your order from your warehouse, right? So it's very easy. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.